Okay, as you know, this morning we have had some problems in the computer rooms, so I'm going to revise a little bit some of the things that I wanted to see with you, and we couldn't because of the problems that we had in the computer rooms. Okay, so open the Data Lab RScript file where you have all the questions, and load the data that is in Data Lab RData file. Okay, so if you take a look to the different questions, I wanted you to remember that, for example, for finding the frequency distribution or for finding the number of people that we have in the survey that are having some of the characteristics as being a man or having being living in a place with a concrete urban level, or, for example, taking a look to the degree that they have studied. Actually, what we need to know is how many people in our survey has different characteristics in different variables, one at a time. Remember that for doing that, you need to work with the command table. And if you don't remember that these exercises that you have, exercise 1, exercise 2, the one with the survey, or exercise 3, the one with the advanced Cambridge exam results, are there to help you with the different commands to find different things. I don't know if you realize that in any one of them, for example, this one is the one for the first exercise that we had in the list of exercises. You have a menu where you can look for information about different things. So, for example, if I want to revise how to find a table, the only thing that I need to do is go into that section in the exercise, in the script, and there you will have an example about how to find a table, how to find absolute frequencies, or how to find relative frequencies, or cumulative frequencies, and so on. For example, if working with questions 8, 9, or 10, you need to plot the information, and here also in the first exercise, you have also help for working with graphs. So go to that place, and you will find how to get a bar plot, or a pie chart, or a box plot, or even a histogram. If going further, you will see that in questions from 12 on, you will have to find mean, coefficient of variations, and quantiles, maybe the mode, and so. So for those, remember that you have also here information about these measures. So, for example, if you want to work with the mean, or you want to find a mode, or you want to find a median, or some quantiles, remember that here you have information about that. Same if we are talking about variation. I mean, for example, range, or the interquartile range, or the variance, or the standard deviation, or anything that you need. Okay? Finally, for questions between 8th and the 10th, well, actually not that, this one, question number 10, do you remember that I told you that this exercise number 3, is mainly for you to work with data that is better to group in intervals, because you have so many different values that working in a frequency distribution that is not grouping intervals is not very efficient. So if you want to work with intervals, or if you want to go further with the histogram, here you have some clues that you can use in order to make a better histogram. So just keep working with the different questions, and remember, I'm talking about Data Lab 1, and remember that the help that you need in order to answer is in the other exercises. The one for exercise 1 is the one with more information, but then you have the one with survey that is for working with qualitative variables, that is factors, and finally this one that is for working with distributions that is better to have them grouped in intervals because they have really many different values. Have a nice day.